and welcome to another episode on Mara's Bonsai channel. Today I would like to talk with you a little bit about unusual species for bonsai, which is wild rose or dog rose. It's a little shrub which grows in the wild, everywhere in Europe and in some other parts of the world as well. It's usually about 1 to 3 meter tall. It's growing on sunny locations. It's growing really nicely. During the summer it has nice white or pink flowers gone. They are changing to rosehips, which you can see several of them here on this plant. I have this plant, I brought it from the forest with one of my Carpinus trees, and it was entangled in the roots of that tree, and it was growing there since then. And after one of the repottings, I removed it and put it into my spare box with the spare trees and shrubs and everything, and it was growing there. And after some time I was thinking about it would be maybe nice to put it into some empty ceramic pot, and it was in a pot for a certain time. Then one day I brought from family trip with my wife and kids, I brought the slate stone, which you can see here, and now it's planted on this slate stone. According to my experience, this species is very hardy. It's doing very well during the winter. It has absolutely no problem to being in the pot or in the stone like this. It's surviving very well. Only as usual, as all the roses, the aphids are sometimes attacking the plant, and you need to take care with insecticide to protect the plant and kill the aphids, or use some other type of protection. The species like rose, you cannot really do them in some kind of traditional sumo fetch trunk style. I think they are much better if you use them for some kind of really gentle, almost feminine styles like this one. This tree is easily over 10 years old, so you see that there is not too much growth, and it's not really thickening too much, so it's really gentle there. So I used epoxy resin and bonded wires on 3 to 4 places here and there, and then when the resin cured, the fixing wires were applied on the plant with the substrate. It was tied down a little bit, really gently, not strongly like you would tie down the Hannibal Lecter on a stretcher, just really gently, so the plant is not moving or it's not sliding down. In case you have other types of stones, for example that rose, it's from the same location, but the stone was brought from holiday with me. It's the same stone like this one. This is smaller one, but it was on the beach. I brought about 2 or 3 with me from the holiday, and in this stone I wasn't afraid that it will crack like the slate. Usually, or there is a high risk it can crack when you will drill into that. So if you have a stone to which you are not afraid to drill, like this one, we can try it. I can show you how to fix the wire into this. You can use it on that composition. The fixing wires are in drilled holes and fixed with epoxy adhesive. So we have a little hole like this, and we just mix a little bit of epoxy adhesive. You have prepared wire. I used to make small curve on the wire so it will hold a little bit better. So you can see This way you can do at least 3 holes, just fix them on different places, and after a few minutes I waited overnight. So on this composition you see the flowers are gone. We are waiting for rose hips, which will appear very soon. Also, I lately, after some time, I added just a little bit of grass to the composition, so you can see the plants from different sides. Of course, it's better to cover whole hill or mold with moss. Personally, regarding the rose, if you think the gentle or feminine composition could be part of your collection, this is plant for you. It's not really some kind of traditional or high bonsai art, but it could be very nice. It changes the colors of the foliage. It has the flowers, it has the fruits, the hips. Bonus info, you can maybe see that here are escaping roots which are growing from here. The question is why they grow like this. And I wanted just to say that sometimes there are discussions if roots are growing in the winter or not. I store the plants on the ground. I do it from November until the March, and I cover them with 5 centimeters of wood shavings. In March, when I finish my winter protection, I removed the shavings, and I saw a lot of white roots emerging from the plant, and I'm sure they were not there when I was placing the tree into storage. So for me, this is one of the examples that roots grow also in the winter time. So thank you very much for watching another episode. If you liked the content, give us a like. If you have any question regarding the roses or any other topic, write me in the comment section below. If you don't want to miss other episodes, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.